Hello, you welcome back to class. I haven't gone through triad uh, intervals. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the major scale. I know you know that, right? The major scale, the pentatonic scale, and the minor scale. Okay? So, the major scale is a scale made up of, on the key of C, we have tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Don't semitone. That's referring to the interval formula for deriving the major scale. Tone between on the key of C, between C and D is a tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And previously in one of the classes, I explained how you can make use of this formula to play the major scale on other keys also. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. 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 I just made use of that same formula to play the major scale of the natural keys. Okay, that's simple, right? Now let's look at the pentatonic scale. The pentatonic scale is a scale made up of mid. It's made up of 5 notes. Pent means what? 5. And pentatonic is made up of the 1, the 2, the 3, the 5, and the 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Pentatonic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And descending, you have this. And for the finger numbering, the fingers I'm making use of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm making use of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And descending, I have 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we have this. And majorly these skills are used for improvisations. So that is it for the pentatonic scale. That's the major pentatonic scale. So let's move on to the minor scale. For the minor scale, we have 3 different minor scales. The minor scale is divided into 3, and the first one is what is called the natural minor. And the natural minor in the key of C, we have the interval formula of a tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, and tone. Tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, and tone. So on the key of E, we have, on the key of C rather, we have C, D, E flat, F, F, G, A flat, B and C. So we have or in the case of A minor, the more reason why it is called the natural minor. If you start from A, all you have to do is to play from A to A. Play all the natural keys from A to A. A. Following the same interval formula of tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, and tone. Okay? That's on the key of C. And you can also apply that to other keys. On the key of D, you have tone, right? Semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, and tone. Just to make sure you follow the interval formula. That's for the natural minor. The next we have is the harmonic minor. And for the harmonic minor, we have on the key of C, we have it follows the interval formula of tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, and the next one is a tone plus semitone. A tone plus semitone. And that gives you this Arabic Eastern music feel. Okay. And that gives you C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B, and C. The next and the last is the melodic minor. The melodic minor is is quite dynamic because the notes of the ascending order is quite different, slightly different from the descending order. So for the ascending order, we have the interval of tone, semitone, tone, 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 and semitone. Tone, semitone, tone, 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 and semitone for the ascending order. Now for the descending order, all you have to do is to play the natural minor scale, and that gives you, so you play this I said I was going to take you on 3 different scales: the major scale, the pentatonic scale, and the minor scale. I'm going to add one more scale, and that's the father of all scale, and that is the chromatic scale. And the chromatic scale comprises of all the keys both the natural keys and the accidental keys. So, if that be the case, we are going to start the scale from C. And the finger pattern is your thumb for the white notes, your middle finger for the black notes, for the accidental notes. All right, so we have thumb, middle, thumb, middle, thumb. Between E and F, you're going to make use of thumb and pointer. Thumb, pointer. Then you continue with middle finger, thumb, middle, thumb, middle, thumb. Between B and C, you make use of pointer also, and then you continue thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, pointer, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, pointer. So you have this. So all other scales are derived from the chromatic scale. If you want to run it with your left hand, remember your thumb for the white keys, and between E and F, between E and F, B and C, you make use of pointer, thumb, pointer, thumb. So we have this. So practice these skills and master them. Know them offhand. Play with them. Catch fun with them. Enjoy playing them. They sound good and interesting. Okay? I'll see you in the next class. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. See you in the next class. Bye.